The 2026 Volkswagen Corrado marks the triumphant return of one of VW's most iconic nameplates, reimagined for the modern era while staying true to its enthusiast roots. Originally launched in the late 1980s, the Corrado gained a cult following, thanks to its sporty coupe styling, sharp handling, and driver-focused engineering. Now, decades later, Volkswagen has resurrected the Corrado badge as a bold, performance-oriented compact coupe that blends nostalgia with futuristic design and technology. From the outside, the 2026 Corrado immediately captures attention with its aggressive yet refined stance. Its low-slung profile, sculpted body lines, and wide grille hint at its sporty intentions, while sleek LED lighting, active aero elements, and 20-inch performance wheels complete the modern aesthetic. Volkswagen has succeeded in retaining some subtle nods to the original, such as the sloped rear end and integrated spoiler, but the new Corrado feels firmly planted in the future. A long hood and short rear deck give it the classic coupe proportions that enthusiasts crave, and an available panoramic roof adds to the feeling of openness and style. Under the hood, the 2026 Corrado offers two primary powertrains. The base model comes equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 280 horsepower, mated to either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 7-speed DSG dual-clutch automatic. For those seeking more adrenaline, the Corrado R variant features a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 with an output of nearly 400 horsepower and standard 4-motion all-wheel drive. This high-performance version can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds, putting it squarely in competition with more expensive performance coupes on the market. Volkswagen's updated chassis tuning, electronic limited-slip differential, adaptive dampers, and dynamic steering system ensure that the Corrado is as thrilling in the corners as it is on the straightaways. Inside, the 2026 Corrado offers a driver-centric cabin that mixes sportiness with cutting-edge tech and premium materials. A 12.9-inch digital instrument cluster and a 15-inch central infotainment display dominate the dashboard, featuring VW's latest MIB4 infotainment system with support for wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates, touch-sensitive. Controls have been refined for better usability, and physical buttons have returned in key areas in response to user feedback. The cabin layout is snug and purposeful, with deep bucket seats, contrast stitching, and available Alcantara or leather upholstery. Rear seating is still tight, true to the Corrado's compact coupe nature, but the rear hatch and fold flat seats add a level of practicality rarely seen in this segment. Safety and convenience technologies are also plentiful, with features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, a 360-degree camera system, and semi-autonomous driving capabilities available on higher trims. VW's latest software updates allow for customizable drive modes, ambient lighting, and user profiles that enhance the driving experience whether on the daily commute or weekend getaway. What sets the 2026 Corrado apart is its unique blend of heritage, performance, and everyday usability. While it honors the original spirit with sharp handling and distinct style, it also embraces the demands of today's drivers with modern tech, safety, and comfort. It's a rare offering in a market that's seen shrinking numbers of affordable performance coupes, and Volkswagen's decision to revive the Corrado name feels not only nostalgic but smart. It speaks directly to driving enthusiasts and young professionals who want a car that's fun, stylish, and just a bit rebellious. With competitive pricing, exciting trims, and a bold attitude, the new Corrado is ready to reignite a passion for driving one curve at a time.